Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the something went wrong error in Claude AI. In many cases, this message appears when Claude is experiencing temporary server issues, but there are still a few troubleshooting steps you can try. First, refresh your connection. If you're using a mobile device, enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off. Once your internet connection is restored, return to Claude and tap try again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the error continues, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a few websites or apps to confirm that your device is online. Another good step is to check whether you're using the latest version of Claude. So you got to make sure that Claude is updated to the latest version. And you can also try deleting cache of your app. And after deleting the cache, launch Claude again and try sending a message to test whether the error has disappeared. If you're using Claude in a browser, you can also try refreshing the page, clearing browser cache, or opening Claude in a different browser. However, if none of these steps work, then the issue is often related to Claude servers rather than your own device. So, in that situation, the best option is to wait for a while and try again later, as the temporary service interruptions are usually resolved automatically.